Ngiyabingelela ku-Good Friday yomuhle. Ngithi nje angivele ngangithembisile on my last video. Ngikade ngikhulume nenkosi yakaButhelezi uZuzifa. Ngicela ukuthi akangibize azongigweba ngokumsukela. Ngithi uFrode iWilliam Ntwana uMangosuthu Buthelezi. Ngiyabona uthule kuze kube manje akafuna ukungigweba angibizele enkantolo yakaButhelezi. Ke ngizochaza ukuthi ngimsukelelana umuntu ohlonishwa kangaka esizweni sakaButhelezi bakithi. Ngiyabona ukuthi kushuthi angithintile ngokwanele, and I have mentioned ukuthi kunezinto that I know of engithule naso, ngoba ngilokho ngiyinikile enhlizweni yami ukuthi yonke lento izozenzakalela ngoba iqalela izenzakalela. Kodwa manje inhlupheko engiphila ngaphansi kwayo, ngibophekile ngingakwazi kwenza lutho. Ngibe ngizazi ngihlakaniphile, ngidlula mhlawumbe ngazi abantu abangaki abazaziyo ukuthi nabo bahlakaniphile. Besides ukuhlakanipha, I'm very ambitious and a hard worker. Ayikho mina into ngathi unginika yona ngithi angikwazi ukuyenza. I thrive, I push with all I got if I need something. But kulokhu kuvalekele emuva emsamo. Okuwumsamo bese ngishilo kanjalo ukuthi ngathola ukuthi ngizalwa uyu umntwana uMangosuthu Buthelezi. Ngikuthola ngonyaka ka-2023 okuyiwona nyaka akhothama ngawo. And since ekhotheme kwaphela mina ngempilo yami, ngalahlekelwa umsebenzi kwathiwa ngisuspendiwe, ngicala lame kuthiwa kune-customer complaint. Into engekho la ngathethwa icala, angangahola ngafakelwe 3,000 ngenyanga, nawe engangiwubona uyimesi because kwi-insurance mawusebenza ungenacala nje usebenza kahle, mawungafaka ngomsebenzi awuholelwa mali. Kodwa mina babengifakela njalo 3,000 since September, which was the month engagcina ngayo ukuhola nje umholo wami obuphelele. Baze bama ngoMarch yangabe saqhubeka. April kwathiwa kube ne-hearing, engayithola notification yakhona, bathi basende i-email. Angiyitholanga leyo email ngoba ifoni yayinaleyo email yayiye for repairs. Kwaphela nje kanjalo. Selokhu-ke ngahlala-ke angisebenzi, ngiyahlupheka, ngisizwa abangisizayo la ku-Facebook. Akukho umuntu ekuthiwa ngizalana naye owakithi ongisizayo. So sekudonsa isikhathi eside such that nade bengisiza sebemile, bayakhathala nabo nkosami, kuya-understandeka. Sengithi ake ngiyisize mina-ke manje. I think le ndlala engibambe kangaka nenhlupheko engibambe kangaka ibikhandelwa ngamabomu ukunginika isibindi sokuthi makufika lesi sikhathi ngithi angife kanye, ngoba ngifile. Ngihlukile nomuntu ofile mina. Ngiyaphila mina, ngiyayithanda impilo, ngiyabathanda abantu, angikwazi nokukhuluma nabantu, ngilimele, inhliziyo yami ihlala iyopha igazi. So-ke sengiyayi-understanda yonke lento. Bihlangene nokuthi kumele mangikhulume engikutsheliwe nokusengqondweni yami. Futhi okungichazayo-ke ngibonile ukuthi mawukhuluma indaba zasendle enkulu kunyakaza amabutho akuthungathe athi ayakufuna. Mina ngidingi nokuthi nikezeni ngifuna. Mina engidingayo, mina engifuna nina niyeke kulokho enishendeza niziba nilazi iqiniso. Hlale ngizwa abantu becomplaina ngokuthi umntwana uMangosuthu ushiye emoshile isizwe ngokushiya inkosi uMisuzulu lapha esihlalweni. But ngibona ukuthi abayi-understand i-damage that he has done. Simoshakele ngempela isizwe. As long as sisahlela uMisuzulu kulesa sihlalo, nothing will ever go right kwaZulu. And okungichaza kakhulu ukuthi ukwenza kwakhe konke kuyamphika. Kuyaphika ukuthi no, not this one. Bayambandaza-ke shembandla abaziyo iqiniso kodwa abafuna ukuthi kuhlale kuthiwe izinto zasebukhosini ayikhulunywa, izinto zesizwe ayikhulunywa. Bebona abantu befa bebulawa yikhukhula. Amakhosi adinwe ayafa asekhathele lembudane yobukhosi obuhleli esihlalweni esingena foundation esitshekile. Angiboni nokuthi ayakhuluma nalo sebukhosini njengamanje amyalele ukuthi yini adinga ukuyenza. Uzumbona umuntu ehlala ekhosozela eceleni konyazi ngoba yena akana signal edonsayo nje into yakhe. Ekuthiwa nangu umuntu okuyena onikezwe amandla, nangu uyalelwa abamphethe. Ngoba phela mangabe usuku lesa sihlalo usuku usuhamba neyinkunzimalanga zamakhosi. Angeke urely kwenye indoda ukuthi uzothola i-guidance na-protection uphiwa amandla angaka. So everything is pointing south. Akuyikho engizokusho nje ukuthi umntwana uMangosuthu ulwa nokulwa kangaka ukufaka uMisuzulu esihlalweni ingoba wenza i-damage control of i-damage yakhe nempilo yakhe ne-background nokwazi amahlazo angathi mangase kuthiwa izinto zenziwa ngendlela kuhlazeke bona. So for image ne-protection yabo personally, he decided to make that foul decision, which affects the nation in a very harsh manner. We've become isizwe esingasenasithunzi esingasahlonipheki ade sibizwa ngamaqhawe siyinhlekisa namhlanje. Hayi ngoba uMisuzulu engasithanda isizwe kwala amakhosi uqobo awayifuni yonke le yanto. Even if he wanted ukwenza izinto kahle, it will never happen. Ze ubone the day ade kuthiwa kuyovulwa i-statue selembe eKing Shaka Airport. Lesa sigameko sentombazane yayibhikishilwa for someone who's spiritually woke. They will know ukuthi Lembe wasn't pleased about that event. He never wanted to partake. Wayisebenzisa le ntombazane ukukhombisa ukuthi lento eniyenzayo I'm not part of it. You just doing imicimbi like you always do in my name, and humiliated uMisuzulu like he did. And that is nothing. Worse is still coming. Lama humiliation amafamba lokho wenza every now and then. It's nothing if they do not stand up and face the reality and do what is meant to be done. Angizokubalula okuningi kwamanje ngizokhipha nje emgodleni wami okugodwa ukuthi njengoba ngithi umntwana uMangosuthu ubenza i-damage control mangabe eshushumbisa ukuthi kungena umntwana uMisuzulu lapha kulesa sihlalo. Mangabe ubheka i-influence abenayo umntwana uMangosuthu esihlalweni, he would have become king himself if bekuya ngepower anayo. Ngisho king of the Zulus. And mangizwa ngokomlando ukuthi igama elithi uMangosuthu livela kanjani, yingoba abakaphelezi babekhalaza ngokuthi amanga osuthu ke lawa kusilethela lengane la. The actual fact is uma ngosuthu akazalwa kaButhelezi, akazalwa inkosi Mathole, and they know it. Okwenzeka ukhondolo lisuka lemuva ukuthi umntwana uNdlunkulu, umntwana uMagogo azagcina ethola umntwana etholiswa omunye wabafowabo bakaZulu. OwakaZulu uMangosuthu. AmaNgosuthu avela kanjalo, awaveli ngokuthi ingoba bakaButhelezi babengakholwa ukuthi ukhulelwe ngoba behluleka ukuthola umntwana isikhathi eside. Ingoba bekuplantwa nje umntwana endaweni engesikhona. So that didn't end there. Even himself uthole abantwana abaningi ngaphandle komshado wakhe. Engibaziyo mina bawu11 bengaphelele. Kulabo bantwana akekho noyedwa ongakukhulumela into emnandi ngobaba wakhe. Ngoba ubekwenza such that labo bantwana beka bakhuliswe amanye amadoda ngezinye izibongo. Lento le eyenzeka kuyena qala isidlulela ebantwaneni bakhe. Ngikutshela ukuthi iukhondolo to an extent ukuthi khona einganeni zakhe uMangosuthu ayizala ngaphandle ayithola no Ndlunkulu wakaZulu, indlovukazi yakaZulu, okuwumzala wakhe ngoba umama umzalayo ubevela eNdlunkulu yakaZulu. So ekwenzekeni kwayo yonke leyo nto, everything has been a lie. Everything, and he was there to cover his tracks because he knew the truth and how to sustain his power. He did what he could up until the time he had to pass on. And that's when everything now, engasenayo control, akusenzeki, sesiyahlupheka ke thina ke singenzanga lutho ke esiyikhuliselwa abantu esaplantwa kubona. Futhi akekho hlupheka okufika kumina. Ekuyimina obengazazi waze wakhothama waze wangcwatshwa mina ngedwe engangekho emncwabeni ngoba ngangazi ukuthi ubaba wami ebese kuzothi mangabe kumuntu efika ekhuluma noZuzifa emtshela ngale ndaba abuza umbuzo very insensitive ukuthi benhleli kuphi kuze kube lesi sikhathi ngoba umntwana uphile waze wano 90 over 90 years. Kithi ngizohlala kuphi ngazini ngoba bengazi lento isivela manje sivezwe abantu abadala ngamaphupho nangezibonakaliso. Ongizalayo usaphika namhlanje ngoba phela kwenziwa izifungo masizaleka nezibopho. Ngibuza ukuthi ke kulaba abaziyo ke yena uZuzifa mina sithi ngifike ngomafika izolo ngifike egcineni. Ubani amnakekelayo namnakile njengosisi wakhe namnikeza iright yokuthi umntwana kaMntwana okukhombisa ukuthi akaqhubeki nalesisenzo salo baba wethu ayesenza. Kungani? Kwakwenze njani? Ngabe ihlobo lesithwalo lalukhona to maintain his power? Kwakufanele akhuleliswe mhlawumbe ama-virgins or whatever, and then bese ayaphakama njalo amandla akhe angapheli. Bese lezo ingane kufanele ngabe ingxenye yempilo yazo. So nawe nje buhleli kuleso sihlalo sakhe kufanele uqhubeke ngaphansi kwezikhwama zakhona. Ufuna sicabange nzuzifa ngawe? Why did you forge iwill? Bani amagama khona ekhona lapho kuyiwill? Why ungamtsheli omunye wabantwana okhona lapho kuyiwill ke le yakho ikhande wena ukuthi ukhona? do I still stand here and believe ukuthi kwayiwena uzalwa uyena uma ngosuthu? Because ngesikhathi esahambileyo jola nalabo bantu ayejola nabe bazalisa bonke laba bazalisa, uma wakho yena ubehlele enzani? Bebhala u4. Hayi bozuzifa, ngeke mina, ngeke mfethu, sekwanele. Ngiyanibona senibizene noma isiZulu usekwenza ngazi usihlalo ngaziwani, into enaziyo ukuthi ayikho man, nidlala ngesizwe. Ngiyajabula ke futhi mase nihleli ndawonye kanjalo ngoba ngilabo ezonibamba khona kahleke. Hayi kodwa mina sengikhathele bandla, ngibonile ukuthi mangabe umuntu ekhuluma kabi ngendlu enkulu kudikiza amabutho athungathwe nani. I'm ready, I'm here for you. Tell me when you need my address. Ningibulale nje ngife caca ukuthi ngifile ngikhathele kodwa okusalayo hayi ngiyokhuluma ngiyofa ngikhulumile ukuthi lamanyala enwenzayo nidlala ngeimpilo zabantu zesizwe sonke ngoba nifuna ukuhlala ehlaleni niqhoqhobale nazi kahle ukuthi they are not rightfully yours. Wena Zuzifa nje leso sihlalo sakaButhelezi wazi kahle deep down akusona sakho. Bakhona abantwana abanqengelele who are qualifying for ukuhlala kuleso sihlalo. So nje I'm provoking you and I will continue as long as ungakangithinti. Angeke ngidlale mina umuntu ophilayo. Nami ngiyaphila. Nami ngowasebukhosini. I've got a royal blood like you. So what gives you authority to think you can manipulate my life like you do? It's enough. It is enough. It has to come to an end. If unali gazi la shenge in your blood, why don't you ask me to come and have a DNA test with you? It's because uyazazi now we bomb. But I don't blame you. Kusuke emuva makhulunywa ngokukhondolo, but it's time that all the curses that comes along with it, they break. We cannot feed your happiness with our blood. Gazi lethu leli siyakhala. Yazi one of my brothers wakwakhuluma into ebuhlungu ozalwa uMangosuthu wathi ngendlela engizwe ngayo ubuhlungu empilweni yami, ngendlela ubaba ngizwise ngayo isihluku sokungafuni kuba ubaba wami engizala, if ngingashona ingalungiswanga lento yesibongo sami ngiyopoka, angeke ngiphumule, ngiyopoka. Mina ke angizolinda ukushona, ngipoka ngiphila. Mani kubiza ukuphila lento engiyenzayo, mhlawumbe ngoba vele ade ngafa. I won't rest. Ngisalala ngingadlile. Angeke ngireste noshenge la ekona. Ngisho alele ngithula asoze. Hawu ngabe inyembezi zami zamanzi aneshukela iglucose. Hayi ngiyakhala. Angikhali ngoba ngitetema, mina nginesibindi kabi. Ngangingazi nokuthi ngiyakwazi ukukhala. Hayi kodwa ngiyakhala manje. So nje aningilandeni bakwethu. Ngibulaleni kucace. It's a pity ngizalwa namagwala asabayo ukuveza ubuhlungu babo abathi bayolinda kuze kupokwe. Ngeke mina. Ngiyopoka ngiphila nje bangipoka nje manje. Khuluma Zuzifa, why shintshelani wili? What were you hiding? Shenge bese funa ukulungisa indlela zakhe ebone isikhathi sesimphelele. Wena usafuna ukuqhubeka, qoqobala isihlalo, fanele uqhubeke phezulu kwamanga. Lies have to stop. Musanuka selfish cabangela isizwe. Hawu isizwe sakaZulu isizwe esikhulu kangaka esinamandla esihlonipheke kangaka nasiphendula imfeketho. Hayi man. Phendula ngicela ungitshele mina nebutho lakho ukuthi Ningidinga nini? Niyonginquma nje kucaca ukuthi ngifile ngoba ayikho lento yenu. Ngeke mina ngiphile kanje. Ngidlala nina nobukhosi benu obubolile.